Abstract class, abstract methods. A class which is declared with the abstract keyword is known as an abstract class. It can have abstract and non-abstract methods, method with the body. Abstraction is a process of hiding the implementation details, showing only functionality to the user. It shows only essential things to the user and hides the internal details. It needs to be extended and its method implemented. It cannot be instantiated. Abstract classes and abstract methods. 1. An abstract class is a class that is declared with abstract keyword. 2. An abstract method is a method that is declared without an implementation. 3. An abstract class may or may not have all abstract methods. Some of them can be concrete methods. For a method-defined abstract must always be redefined in a subclass, thus making overriding compulsory or either make subclass itself abstract. 5. Any class that contains one or more abstract methods must also be declared with abstract keyword. 6. There can be no object of an abstract class, that is, an abstract class cannot be directly instantiated with a new operator. 7. An abstract class can have parameterized constructors and default constructor is always present in abstract class. Advantages of abstraction. It reduces the complexity of viewing the things, avoids code duplication and increases reusability. Helps to increase security of an application or program as only important details are provided to the user. Abstract methods. A method is declared as abstract and does not have implementation is known as an abstract method. This class Honda extends the abstract class bike. An abstract class can have a data member, abstract method, method body, constructor, and even main method. Rule 1. If there is an abstract method in a class, must be abstract. Rule 2. If you are extending an abstract class that has an abstract method, you must either provide the implementation of the method or make this class abstract. Encapsulation versus data abstraction.
Encapsulation is defined as the wrapping up of data under a single unit. It is the mechanism that binds together code and the data it manipulates.
Data abstraction is the property by virtue of which only the essential details are displayed to the user. The trivial or the non-essentials units are not displayed to the user. Advantages of encapsulation. Data hiding. The user will have no idea about the inner implementation of the class. It will not be visible to the user that how the class is storing values in the variables. He only knows that we are passing the values to a setter method and variables are getting initialized with that value. Increased flexibility. We can make the variables of the class as read only or write only depending on our requirement. If we wish to make the variables as read only, then we have to omit the setter methods like setName, setHover, etc. from the above program, or if we wish to make the variables as write only, then we have to omit the get methods like getName, getHover, etc. from the above program. Reusability. Encapsulation also improves the reusability and easy to change with new requirements. Testing code is easy. Encapsulated code is easy to test for unit testing. Encapsulation versus data abstraction. Encapsulation is data hiding, information hiding, while abstraction is detail hiding, implementation hiding. While encapsulation groups together data and methods that act upon the data, data abstraction deals with exposing the interface to the user and hiding the details of implementation.